For fabric B2 in bag B2, you should have 9 strips cut at 4 3/4 inches. You're going to divide the 9 strips into 2 stacks. One stack of 2 strips and another stack of 7 strips. Now I've already cut these because I had a snafu with my recording, but I'll show you the steps you take. This is the end of the fabric over here, and this is the stack of 7, and you're going to take T-template C5 and place it on the stack. Your fabrics are stacked right sides up and the strip is opened up, just as we've always done. If you want to, you can press out the crease in the center. You place your template C5 on top and you're going to cut it out. And remember, it's a T template, so you're going to cut it the same size as the template. Go ahead and put some pins in and then cut those out. Then you're going to take this template and move it down to the next part, next section. So you'll cut out this section the same way. Then you move it off to the last section, and you will cut out in the same way for this section. You'll end up with 3 stacks of 7 for a total of 21 of these T-template C5. We'll only be using 20, but go ahead and just keep all 21 together right now and fold this up and put it in the bag. Next, for the stack of 2 strips, you're using T-template C4, and we'll need a total of 4 of these. And this is your strip. You place this on one end of the strip, cut it out. There are 2 smart corners here. And then the next one, you'll take this and flip it or rotate it and cut out the second one like this. And then you'll have a total of 4. And remember to always keep the right sides up. Then you take the T-template C4, there's 4 of them, and the T-template C5 that has 21, and you put these back into bag B2.